Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be doing a massive pack opening on Pokemon TCG Online. Alright, so we have Legendary Treasures, Sun and Moon, Ancient Origins, Breakpoint, Breakthrough, Evolutions, Fates Collide, Phantom Forces, Roaring Skies, and Steam Siege. We're just gonna go from start to end. Let's hope we get some good stuff. Alright, we are starting it off with Legendary Treasures. Let's do this. And Polion. Alright. Nothing super exciting. Did get some good stuff though. Let's want a closer look at any of them. Sweet. Reverse Holo double colorless. And Lantern rare. How have your guys' pulls been in Sun and Moon? Mine have been very back and forth. Reverse Holo Golduck. And a rare Decidueye. Third pack of Sun and Moon. Rare Cloyster. Man, no EXs yet. Or, sorry, GXs yet. Let's hope we get something good out of these. Cosmoman, regular rare. Oh man, last pack of Sun and Moon. And Hariyama, regular rare. Nothing out of Sun and Moon. Alright, Ancient Origins. This just recently went out of print, so I should probably stock up on these. And Entei, regular rare. Alright, on to Breakpoint. And Lilligant, regular rare. Final pack of Breakpoint. And a final, alright, it's a holo. We got a holo rare Suicune. Pretty nice. Breakthrough. Alright. We got a reverse holo Simsage. And a Mr. Mime regular rare. Wow. Not good luck so far. About halfway through. Moving on to Evolutions. Oh, sweet. We got a full art Brock's Grit. That's awesome. And the secret rare, here comes Team Rocket. Secret rare in parentheses. That's pretty cool. Alright. That's cool. Alright, final pack of Evolutions. Sorry, I keep hitting that bottom bar there. We got a reverse holo Beedrill. And a regular rare Starmie. Alright, on to Fates Collide. And we got a regular rare Superior. Alright. Okay, here we go. Oh, reverse hollow superior, rare. Oh, sweet. Alright. Altaria EX. Not bad. That's a pretty card. I like that. Sweet. Alright. I think this is going to be our final pack of Fates Collide. Oh, alright. Cool. We got a Dancy EX. Man. Nice. Very cool. Alright. On to Phantom Forces. We got a reverse hollow Venomoth and regular rare Gliscor. Pretty cool, pretty cool. On to Roaring Skies. We have 2 Roaring Skies packs. Hunt for Shaman is on. Let's see if we can do it out of 2 packs. We got a regular rare Togekiss and our final Roaring Skies pack. We get regular rare Talonflame. Oh, do we have one more? Oh, we had 3. Bonus pack of Roaring Skies. Here we go. Alright. Not bad, not bad. I love the artwork on this card. We got a Zapdos rare. Alright, final 2. Steam Siege. We got a reverse hollow rare Primate. And a regular rare Klotzer. Alright, final pack. Here we go. We get, oh, sweet. Yveltal, reverse hollow, sorry. And Shiftry hollow rare. Very cool. Well, if you guys want to see more openings like this online, put it in the comments below. I can also do regular card openings. I'm just waiting to get a better camera for that. But anyways, if you liked it, hit the thumbs up, subscribe. Thanks for tuning in.